those of you that have been with us for a long time, we want to welcome you back to the channel, and if you have not subscribed, we want to ask you to do subscribe. If today is your first time visiting with us, we want to extend you a very warm welcome and review any of our over 400 videos that are arranged in playlists for your convenience, as we are very confident you will find something you enjoy and find useful. If today is your birthday, we want to wish you a very happy birthday. Hello friends, and welcome to North Carolina. Today is our first video from North Carolina, and it is not exactly a build video. Our next series of videos will be about how to live in a small place. I will use the word downsize temporarily from a house that was about 4,500 square feet to an apartment that is how huge?
5,500.
5,500.
Sir, 550. That's not downsizing, is it?
Right, 550. So we have to adjust to a much smaller space, but in the same token, as we want to purchase a house in the very near future, we don't want to spend a lot of money, and also when you live in an apartment, we are renting it, you don't have the luxury of making exactly what you want. So we went to a couple of our local, what you will call them?
Second-hand stores.
Second-hand stores, and we found a pair of really nice clothes hooks, and we checked with our landlord. If you live in an apartment, check with your landlord, and they told us it was okay to make holes on the wall, right? We checked with ours, and that is totally okay. So today we're going to show you how to install something like this, which I know it's very simple, but at the same time many people do it incorrectly. So stick around and see how we're going to do it. The location we decided to put our coat hang, and you remember that from our video when we were getting ready to leave Kansas. So we're going to try and find the studs. It says edge. Center. How does it know the center?
It just is so smart.
Alright, so now we're going to bring the coat hanger and we're going to install it. So we are ready, we made our mark here, and I'm ready to install the first screw. I don't understand what it does to my editing. Okay, now when you take our level, and this is where the torpedo level works very well. This can rotate, of course, because we just attach it with one screw, right? Mm-hmm. So we find, I think we're there, right? You want me to move it?
Oh, no, I think it's good.
So now we're going to take our second screw. And here, if you don't hit a stud, you can use an anchoring. It looks like we did here. It's very, very steady.
Excellent. So our coats won't fall on the floor.
Right. So the basic equipment you need, again, we didn't buy anything from our old video, and I'm going to put a card here pointing you to that video of the basic tools that we took with us for this move, right? So we have here our coat hanger hood that matches the rest of our decor. Mm-hmm. And we are going to enjoy our newly found place. One of the problems with a small place, of course, is we are not used not having a lot of space for storage, right? So here we are challenged. We don't have a lot of space for storage.
So we have to be very thoughtful about what we bring in.
So when you're in a small place, these are the things you have to worry about, right?
Right.
Okay. So when you buy something from a second-hand store, as we did, You save a lot of money. Something like this would have cost us much more than what we paid.
Oh, yeah.
We paid how much for two?
It was $6 for a pair.
Well, $6 for a pair, and probably you cannot find that below, I would say 20. I mean, it has a nice polish, I don't know what you call that, the look of the hooks. They're metal, you know. One of the things you need to pay attention is that you have the hardware that's supposed to come with it with you. And in our case, it came with the hardware, and that is simply small wooden buttons to cover the screw holes. And all you do with those is just press them in. You don't put glue on them, you don't do anything else.
Yeah, it's just cosmetic to really just fill the hole.
And our look is complete.
Yeah,
And I think it looks very nice.
pretty nice.
Alright folks, this is our short, very, very short episode for today. From the Garage Wizard, without a garage anymore, I have to park out on the street, Mrs. Wizard and the Urban Homesteading Channel. We hope this was for some use of you, and we are going to continue making videos that hopefully will show you how to enhance and improve your small rental place. We hope you have a great week, and we're going to see you soon. Farewell.